Now up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has fired back at the critics who've blasted the government for its handling of the country's economy. Mr. Holness is insisting the country is showing strong signs of recovery. Anthony Lugg reports.
World leaders have been implementing strategies to cushion the effect of the increase in food prices, gas and other commodities on their people. Here in Jamaica, despite offering similar support to some Jamaicans, the government has still been criticized for its handling of the situation. Speaking at the Housing Solution handover ceremony in Cave Valley, St. Anne on Friday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed the issue.
In spite of the purveyors of doom and gloom, those people who can only thrive by breaking down Jamaica and making everything look bad, those people who have not lifted a hand to lift up Jamaica in deed or in words, in spite of them, this economy, your country, is recovering nicely and showing resilience.
Inflation at the end of July was 10.2%. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, says the rise in prices over the 12 months to July was driven by a 12.6% increase in the cost of goods in the category food and non-alcoholic beverages. Point-to-point inflation up to June was 10.9%. And despite those markers, the Bank of Jamaica says there's no sign of recession.
In the midst of crisis, when all the negative people say, things bad, the economy is projected to grow this quarter, as the TVJ has pointed out, by over 5%. My God, when has that ever happened? That in a time of crisis where everybody's saying, well, recession looming, our economy is still showing strong signs of recovery.
Mr. Holness also noted that unemployment is at an all-time low of 6%.
The critics don't talk about that. They don't want you to remember that we have brought down unemployment from in the highs of 13% unemployment with high youth unemployment. Unemployment is now down.
He's insisting the country has the resources, strength, and will to overcome the challenges currently being faced.
I want you to keep on the side of the positive. Keep on the side of the hopeful. Keep on the side of the progressive.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is currently examining ways to reduce construction time on housing units. He addressed the matter while speaking at a handover of Housing Solutions in St. Anne Friday.
Hoping to see happen is that more contractors will start to develop the skill in building quickly and at high quality. One of the challenges that we're having in the provision of housing is that we don't have enough contractors that have the technical skill. That means they have been trained. They have an engineering background or a project management background or a construction background. Many of them just go in it for the love of it and they have developed skills over time. But we need people who are literally trained.